Welcome to the channel. Today we will be recharging the air conditioning system on a BMW X5. We are using the SuperTech R134A refrigerant in the can, which also has a conditioner and a sealer. Before we begin, let's go ahead and check the air conditioning temperature. Because of the fan noise, I am going to go ahead and turn down the volume. When working with refrigerant, it is recommended to have eye protection and to wear gloves. First, you want to go ahead and locate the low pressure service port. This is often located in between the AC compressor and the evaporator. In this particular vehicle, it is located near the firewall on the passenger side. The coupler will only fit the low pressure line. It will not fit the high pressure. This particular unit only has a basic gauge. You want to go ahead and check the ambient temperature and pressurize accordingly. The instructions will show you the correct PSI level based on the ambient temperature. Shake the can a little bit. Let's go ahead and remove the cap. Start the engine, turn on your AC, and set it to the lowest temperature, and fan on high. As you saw the temperature, we have successfully charged the AC system. Please follow the product instructions and do not overcharge the system. This video is for entertainment purposes only, and if you'd like to see more automotive content, please like and subscribe. Thank you for watching.